Hi everyone, this is Prasad. Today in this OER, I am going to explain creation of assessment quiz in Canvas. This is part 2. In my part 1, I explained how to create a quiz and how to navigate and how to create settings and how to assign a quiz to the students. Now in this video, I am going to explain how to create a quiz from the multiple question banks. Meanwhile, I request you to think of regarding how to create a multiple question banks in a canvas. So that meanwhile I will navigate my system to canvasinstructor.com. Yeah, in my previous video I stopped here. Anyway, now I am going to continue from this. So you selected some of the questions, multiple choice or a number of options are available, fill in the blanks. After once you saved the question, here the save option is there, update question. Here automatically new question group and find questions. Let me explain these three options. New question means in the current quiz you are uploading any new question, then you should use this option. Even though in question bank also. New question group. For example, chapter number 1, you prepare 10 questions. So you make it as a chapter number 1 group. In the same way, create 10 more questions from chapter number 2 and prepare a group number 2. In the same way, at the end of the semester, 8 chapters, 8 groups means each group consists of 10 questions means 8 groups, 8 multiplied by 10, 80 questions are available. So if you want to take any summative assessment at the end, then create one quiz like that, give an option to the canvas, click on it. For example, take one question from chapter number 1, take 2 questions from chapter number 2, like that you can arrange, because right now you have 8 question banks, that is group number 1 to group number 8. So the system automatically takes the random questions from the 8 groups. For example, I will show you some of the existing quizzes what I had in my portal. See here, for example, here I taken sessions quiz, multiple dates, and in this, for example, unnamed quiz is available. So I already set it some what you can say instruction for the thing. So if I want to edit this quiz, click on it. So graded quiz is all I did it. For example, now I am going to add the questions. For example, I am going to name test 1. Okay, so I already saved it. Questions, for example, here new question, click on new question. So you can type it here and you can update the question. This is already mentioned. Again, go for questions, and again this I am cancelling. Go for new question group. See here already group 1, pick one question from pick one questions. For example, here you link to question bank. For example, here you have any question banks for unfilled question. For example, select it, select bank. So entire select question bank I selected here, and pick 5 questions, for example, of each one of consists of 1 mark. That's it. And now I am going to save. If you see test number 1 preview, see here the quiz instructions I added, and quiz number 1, and again one question at a time. Quiz number 2, it will comes in the picture. This is a quiz number 2. In the same way, quiz number 3, here also students can navigate by using this here, for example. So these are the quiz, creating one quiz from the multiple question banks. I hope everyone understand. If any further doubt, let me know. And at the same time, before going to proceed for the next session, I request all of you to attempt Google quiz, so that you can comes to know your what you can say self assessments. Thank you. Thanks for listening. And at the same time, in the next video I will explain, of course negative marking also possible here, that I will explain in the upcoming video. Thank you. Thanks for listening.